Hi ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing? Matthew is here from FOREX Traders. I hope you're doing great. So today I wanted to come to you guys and talk about a few things, right? So, what does it mean to be consistently profitable in the market? What does it really mean when someone says, I'm actually a profitable trader? Does it mean that they win all their trades? Of course not, right? So, consistent profitability simply means a consistently rising equity curve. And that equity curve is going to be characterized by minor drawdowns and then good wins like that. All right. So what it simply means that profitable traders have losses, but they apply risk management such that even when they lose trades, the winning trades are able to cover up all those losses. That's what it simply means. That doesn't mean that they don't lose. Okay. Professionals or consistently profitable traders actually might even lose more trades than these other guys who are not consistent. But they know how to handle losses. Losses affect everyone. It's extremely important that you understand that, so that you stop beating yourself up when you lose a trade or two because you think everyone else does not lose. The reason why you actually think like that is because that's what you're exposed to. That's what people choose to show you. People only choose to show you their wins, right? And then they don't show you the losing part, which is very, very sad. So in trading, losses and wins are always going to be there. You are going to have wins and you are going to have losses. What determines how long you're going to stay in this game is how you manage the losses. All right. So you need three things in order for you to become consistent profitable. One, you need to have an edge. You need to have a strategy. What is an edge? An edge is simply a strategy. All right. When you execute that strategy, when you execute that strategy over a series of trades, it has to have shown positive expectancy. Okay, over a series of trade. It can be a setup, it can be a strategy, but whatever you're using must have shown you positive expectancy over a series of trade. This is not over one trade, two trades, three trades, 10 trades. No, it's over hundreds of trades, and you're supposed to have back tested it, forward tested it, and it has shown you that it actually makes money over time. You really have to have that one. The second thing that you need to have is a proper risk management plan. How do you plan to manage your risk? How much of your account are you going to be willing to risk every time you take a trade? You're supposed to predefine that, and you're supposed to do that consistently on all trades. That's when you become consistent. You cannot have consistent result if you don't have a consistent process. So make sure that you have a proper risk management plan that tells you exactly how much you are risking per trade. It can be in terms of money, or it can be in form of percentage, or whatever it is. Make sure you have it and make sure you follow it with discipline. The third and the most important aspect of trading that you are actually supposed to focus on is your psychology. Trading psychology is extremely important, and that's why you should spend 90% of your time once you have your strategy. Spend much of your time learning about yourself. Read trading psychology books like Trading in the Zone and The Disciplined Trader by Mark Douglas. Listen to those videos. Listen to those workshops that he had. they are going to change the way you look at the market. And think in probabilities. When you start to think in probabilities and you actually focus on series of trades rather than just taking 1 or 2 trades and trying to make money right now on that particular trade, you're going to change, because you know that at any particular time anything can happen. You can take a good setup right now. I can tell you that I can actually have a good setup right now and take it, and literally if you asked me, I have no idea. Of course I want to win. Of course it meets my criteria, which tells me that there's a high chance of that happening, but I'm not confident that that particular trade is going to win. Why? Because the outcome of any individual trade is purely random. There's literally no way to know what's going to happen next in the market. Literally no way to know. If anyone tells you they know what's going to happen, they're lying. Because if people knew exactly what was going to happen in the market, people would actually use their whole account on one particular trade. But people don't do that unless you're trading with a $50 account or a $10 account, right? Because you're willing to lose it all. So you have to understand that this game is all about probability. Have an edge, execute your edge, use proper risk management, and focus on improving your psychology. Learning how to lose. Learn how to lose, because losing is the most inevitable part of trading. You are going to lose more times than you ever win. And you are supposed to be a good loser. Once you learn how to lose, it becomes a different story, because you be comfortable losing and you won't be afraid of taking the next trade because you took the last 3 trades that you took were losses. Losing is going to be part of the game. When you have a strategy like we do, which gives us an average of 1 to 7 risk reward ratio, I can take 5 losses. I can take 5 losses out of 7 trades, and when I win just 1 trade, it's going to cover up all those losses and actually make me profitable. When I win the other one, I'm going to be massively in profit. So you have to have your edge. I don't know what your edge is, but make sure you have one. And the better the risk reward ratio, it's going to be better, because it will be easier for you to handle losses. So you have to have that. Once you have your edge, then focus 90% of your time learning about trading psychology. Things like meditation, mindfulness, those things are going to help you stay calm when you're losing. What you don't have to do is start revenge trading when you're actually going through losses. That is going to kill your account. That's going to kill you as a trader. So trading is really hard. You need to be in your right mental state for you to be able to trade rightly. Otherwise, it's going to be the hardest thing you've ever encountered in your life. So learn about yourself. Trading will teach you more about yourself than anything else. All right. So it's extremely important that you learn about yourself. That's when you can actually achieve consistency in this market. Have an edge, use proper risk management, and focus on psychology, and think in probabilities, and don't think in 1 or 2 trades, but think long term. That's how you become consistent in this market. All right. So you guys, I hope you found value in this video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, comment in the comment section if you found this video valuable, and also make sure that you turn on that bell notification so that you get to be notified every time we drop a new video like this. Alright, you guys, take care of yourself. Until next time, goodbye.